You guys, today we're gonna make Kourtney Kardashian's avocado pudding. I've never had avocado as a dessert before, so I'm really interested. And the best thing, Gina, your favorite, it's 3 ingredients and it should take us less than 5 minutes.
Yes, you promise?
I promise.
This is what you do, and I have it completely memorized. You just throw everything in, and there's 3 ingredients: avocado, coconut milk, and honey.
Okay, first, make sure that you get the coconut milk that's in a can. They tend to be a little thicker, which I think you're going to need for it to be a pudding consistency. I find that when you get it from a box, it's a little bit more watery, so make sure you do that. Stick it in the fridge so it's nice and cold. Shake it up before you open it. Ooh, it sounds luscious. And yeah, Gina is going to do the easy way, which is she's going to use her honey bear honey, but I went out and bought the raw manuka honey, which was called out on the recipe, and I know the Kardashians, if they're going to get something expensive, they're going to get the expensive honey. So I wanted to see if there was a big difference, like is it just honey or not. I have heard that there are some beneficial factors to using manuka honey, so I'm going to do that and trust that it's going to work. It tastes like it came from
a bee.
And she did say that you would probably like it more if it was cold, so to stick it in the fridge, but she eats it room temperature. So Gina and I are like, okay, avocado as a pudding warm just didn't sound appealing. So
yeah, if there's a chance that I'm gonna like this, I think it's gonna have to be cold.
Okay, ready? Let's go.
Well, I think this is the easiest thing we've ever made, and I know I've said that before. 3 ingredients, that has to be the record. Cheers.
All right, cheers.
You're a fan of the Kardashians. Are you a fan of avocado pudding?
I think that what's saving this is the coconut milk. I love coconut milk. And it's actually really prominent in here because, you know, the avocado is just buttery, but it doesn't really have a lot of flavor. But the coconut actually makes it taste better.
You gotta love avocado. And I first tasted avocado, and then like afterwards, the coconut milk kind of hit me. And then it has a weird aftertaste. Okay,
so the manuka honey, just be like Gina. I think regular honey was just as good. So don't go out and spend $15 on this little jar, but I think there's some health benefits to it, so I'm going to tell myself that because I feel better about spending that money.
Oh, sweet honey bear, honey bear.
But I do taste the honey. I don't know if you can taste the honey. I don't know if it's just because the manuka honey is just a little bit stronger in flavor, but I do get the hints of honey,
maybe,
which is kind of nice.
If you love the Kardashians or if you love avocado, then go for it. You might like it more than we did. That's all I can say about this pudding. But thanks for joining, and watch us next week, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for joining. Bye.